I'm Yui. So today I'm going to show you two apartments in the same building. These apartments are really cheap and you guys going to love them. So let's go. So this apartment location is quite good. It's not bad at all. Plus this apartment has a swimming pool. Oh my god. I love the swimming pool. Anyway, this apartment, the swimming pool is quite clean. The guy he just cleaned minutes ago. Anyway, and plus the swimming pool is huge, and the sun is going to the swimming pool all the time. So the water is really warm. So let's check out the swimming pool first, and then I will tell you guys what is the temperature of the water of the swimming pool. So the water is really nice and warm, so warm. I would like to jump right now. Anyway, this apartment is really good and it's quite clean, and the price of the apartment is really cheap as well. So I'm going to show you two apartments. And as you guys can see here, it's really quiet. It's really quiet. It's really nice. The swimming pool is quite big. It's not bad at all. And this area you can sit down and drink a cup of coffee if you want, or anything you want. And this is the parking area. And as you guys can see here, the apartment is really kind of new. And the owner, he just told me he wants to sell all the building, all of them, or he can rent all the apartment, all of them. You see these rooms, it have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I don't know how many rooms, maybe around 12 or 15, something like that, maybe 15 rooms. He wants to rent all of them, or you guys can rent 1 month to 1 month. It's up to you guys. It's anything you want. If you want to rent for the whole building, you also can. So first I'm going to show you the ground, the bottom floor here. So this apartment here is on the bottom floor. So if you guys doesn't want to going upstairs, you can just rent this apartment here. It's on the ground floor. And as you can see here, this apartment is really clean and quite new as well. And before you move in, the owner will clean the room before you move in. So they will organize and clean the room for you, make sure you're comfortable, something like that. Anyway, the living room, it has a fan, a light, and so many plugs. It's quite lots of plugs here. So the living room, it doesn't have aircon, but to be honest, it's quite, even nowadays in Cambodia it's so hot, but because like outside is there many tree, and this apartment I don't feel like hot at all. I feel like it. Anyway, this is the bedroom. I think that one is an aircon. I haven't asked him this room have aircon or not. I haven't asked, but probably yes. If you move in, he will set up the aircon for you. So anyway, this apartment, it has a double bed and a wardrobe, and I'm pretty sure it gives you the aircon as well. And it has the plugs here. So this apartment is quite big, and the price is quite affordable. It's quite good. And this is the bathroom. It has a shower. It doesn't have hot water though. But if you ask him, probably he set up the hot water for you as well. I don't know. I haven't asked for that. Anyway, it has a Western style toilet, a sink, a mirror. So basically, every day nowadays, it's just going outside to places and asking and looking for a house, or to find like a good property for you guys. Maybe you guys are interesting. Because I'm Cambodian, I'm easy to talk with them, and I always try to find the best price for you guys. And anyway, if you're interested, you always can contact with the landlord straight away, so you don't have to looking by yourself or go to real estate agent to take the commission from you, you know. The real estate agent take commissions from you. Anyway, so this apartment is $120 per month. Lúc cô bán mà khai mà bạn ấy. Mà rồi mà khai mà. Khai mà phải ở mà được 100. Oh, vô lại. Oh, sorry guys, sorry. So this apartment is only $120 for the huge building. Oh, it's really cheap, super cheap like this. And it's quite basic. It's so basic. You can put like a few tables here if you want. It's really basic, but the price is only $120. This is insane. It's super good price. And yeah, and it also has a backyard. It's really good. You can hang some clothes here if you want to. It's really, really good price. And anyway, so now I'm going to show you upstairs. One more is huge. It's like so big. It's like a big apartment. Look at the gentleman. Okay, look what you learn. He's really nice guy. He was cleaning the swimming pool, and I went inside, you know, because I drove the bike around. I'm looking places for the property. I just looking, and sometimes something interesting I just record. Anyway, he was cleaning the swimming pool, and I told him, "Oh, could I take a photo and make a video could I make a video, please?" He was said, yeah. He was so kind. He was just said, yeah, and he going to find. He have to stop cleaning the swimming pool and come to give me the key. How kind was it? It's super nice. He was really kind. I really like it. It's really kind. Anyway, as you guys can see here, this is on the first floor, and the view here is really nice. It's quite quiet, except of the sound of someone building something or fixing something, but the area is really quiet. And it has so many trees. If you guys hear a little bit, it heard so many birds here. Yeah, so many birds are singing at the moment. So this apartment is on the first floor, and this apartment is huge. It's super big. Oh my god. Okay, as you guys can see here, this is the kitchen area. It has all the furniture you would need for. Seriously, it has a table, 4 chairs, and a kitchen area. It has gas stove, and a fridge, a fan. It's super big. And this is the living room area. The living room is a kind of an open plan kitchen as well. It has sofa and a small table here, and this is a smart TV just here. Anyway, you guys can see here, and there is a smart TV as well. So this is the kitchen area. So now let's check out the room. So this is the first room. This room, it has an aircon, a cozy light, and the double bed. And they will give you the bed sheets and pillow as well. And also it has a wardrobe. Yeah. And the thing I like this apartment, they have so many plugs and set up with the cozy light. I really do like this cozy light and so many plugs. It's easy to charge many laptop, phone, something like that. And it also has a window that you guys can see here. Just outside here, there's a coconut, and it has a mosquito net, so it's really good. And this is a washing machine, and this is the bathroom. The bathroom, it has a shower with hot water, a Western style toilet, a mirror, and a sink. So the bathroom is quite big. It's not bad at all. So now let's check out the second room. My flip-flops quite noisy. So now let's check out this second room. So the second room is next to it. It's good. So this is the second room. This room is a bit bigger than the first one. It has a cozy light, another aircon as well, and it has a double bed, and it has a small table. And you can see here over there, there's a light and cables, something like the plugs. And yes, and also it has another washing machine. So basically it has 2 washing machines, 2 bedrooms, and 2 bathrooms. So this is another bathroom. It has a Western style toilet, a shower with hot water, a mirror, and a sink, and another window here. So this apartment is really big, right? And this apartment is $400 per month, and include all the furniture you want, plus a swimming pool, free parking. So it's super good. The thing I love the most is downstairs. Only $120 per month, and includes a swimming pool. This is insane. Oh my God, I love this apartment. Seriously, $120 include a swimming pool. Who doesn't want to live here? Oh my God. Anyway, so for the electricity, it's 25 cents per unit, and water is 50 cents per unit. And if you guys are interested in this apartment, you can contact directly to the apartment, contact directly to the landlord, so you save lots of money from the real estate agents' commissions. And yeah, that's it. Anyway guys, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys like it, and please like and subscribe for more videos, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.